Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Anuja and I'm back with a new video. So in today's episode of Sunday cooking series, I'm actually going to be trying a few recipes out. These recipes have been viral on internet, so I'm just going to try a few of them and see how they work. So if you're interested, then stay tuned and also hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you like it. So without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, so I've made this pancake batter already. I'll leave the recipe that I've used in the description box below. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna transfer this into a piping bag. And if you don't have a piping bag, you can use any kind of Ziploc bag or any kind of a like a firm plastic bag, or even that ketchup ka squeezy bottle. So as you can see, it is ready. I'm just gonna add like a little bit of butter to top it off, and I'm also gonna add some honey. This looks absolutely delicious. I'm gonna try it now. Some butter, obviously. This is nice. This is seriously good. This obviously just tastes like pancakes, but mini version of pancakes. Yay! So good. I'll give this like a 8 out of 10 because this does take a lot of time to make, and I'm not sure if you really want to invest that time in the morning to make like pancake cereal. You might as well just have normal pancakes or cereal. Okay, so the recipe number 2 is to make like a peanut butter cake. It is flourless cake, but it will need egg though. I'm gonna put up the post here which I found on Instagram. Basically, you need like peanut butter, sugar, and egg, and that's it. So we're gonna try that out and see how it goes. So I have all the 3 ingredients here. This is homemade butter which I had made. I'm gonna take about 2 tablespoons of this. I'm gonna add my sugar to it. And crack an egg also. Just mix it. I'm gonna bake this for about 1 minute. It said 1 minute on the recipe. Let's see. You can see this, but it is rising a bit. It's actually risen a lot. Let's see. I don't know, I think the egg wasn't really mixed well because you can see the egg white there. But other than that, it looks fine. Let's taste it and see. I'm gonna let it cool down and then taste it. I actually can't wait to taste this, so I'm gonna dig in and see how it is. You can actually see the egg white around. I think I should have mixed it properly. I think the peanut butter, I should have melted it a bit and then taken it. But it's actually not bad. It tastes like a peanut butter omelette, but it tastes good. Not bad. I'll give this 6 on 10. because of my mistake. I didn't mix it properly. So I think this is it for today. I'm gonna try the next two recipes tomorrow. So I'm gonna see you tomorrow. Alright, so it's the next day. I'm back in the kitchen and we are going to do those two recipes that were left. The first one is pasta in a mug. I saw it a few days ago and it looked interesting. The instructions are not so clear, but let's wing it and let's go. So in the video she added like I think half a cup of pasta and same amount of water. I'll do that and then microwave it for 3 minutes. So here is the pasta after 3 minutes. I think a little bit of water was spilled out, so you might want to put a plate or something down and then like put your mug in. Let's see if it's cooked. I think it can cook for a little while, so I'm gonna keep it for another 1 minute and see. So I have taken it out of the microwave and I think it's pretty cooked, so I'll say that we'll have to keep it for about 4.5 minutes to cook. So later in the video she's added about a tablespoon of milk, cheese and some salt, pepper. So let's do that. Let's keep it in the microwave again for about 2 minutes and see what happens. So this is the final result. I actually just kept it for 1 minute and 50 seconds only. It looks good. Let's see how it tastes. It's so good. Honestly, you should definitely try this out. It will make for a great quick snack. Amazing. I have put a little extra pepper powder now, I feel, but it's so good. Definitely try it out. I'll give this 9 on 10. Okay, so now let's move on to the final one. We are going to end on a sweet note. I'm gonna try the 2-ingredient mug cake, which involves biscuit and milk. This is typically done with Oreos, but since I don't have Oreos, I'm gonna do it with hide and seek. So we are going to make a hide and seek mug cake. I'm gonna put about 5 biscuits in. 5, and I'm going to add about like tablespoon or 2 of milk in it. So our cake batter is ready, as you can see. I'm gonna put it in the microwave for 1 minute and see what happens. Honestly, this looks good. I can't wait to dig in and try it. This is good. Not bad. It's actually good. A little bit of chocolate sauce, Nutella, or even ice cream. Great combination. Again, for a quick snack, this is great. Like quick dessert. Amazing. 10 on 10. Alright, so that's it for the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, then don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, comment down below, share and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I shall see you in the next video. Bye.